Hey guys, this is Mateo with WTI, and if you want to get a toy for the spoiled ones in the house, I really recommend this two-piece self-grooming brush for your kitties. And let me tell you, as soon as I opened the box, my kitties were already self-grooming with this brush. I thought that was so much fun. The youngest of my kitties has never liked it when I brush her face or her fur. But once I installed this brush, she goes there every morning and she spends a few minutes just grooming herself. Now, this is very easy to install. It comes with screws if you want to screw it to your wall, or it also comes with double-sided tape, and it also comes with a little bag of catnip so you can place it in the brush. So if you're looking for a toy that your kitties will love, I really recommend this one, and that is my point of view.